There are many scenarios of illegal searches and seizures. One example is being stopped by the police while driving down the road when you have not committed any traffic violation or crime. If you've ever seen the popular TV show Cops, you might be familiar with this recurring situation. A cop pulls someone over for a perceived traffic violation. He speaks with the driver, asking seemingly innocent questions. Where are you coming from? Who lives there? Where are you headed? Then suddenly the officer becomes suspicious that the driver is transporting drugs within his vehicle. What started as a simple traffic violation issue has now morphed into a full-fledged felony drug investigation. The officer may even attempt to delay issuing a traffic warning or violation in order to keep the driver at his car at the scene until a drug-sniffing dog arrives. The dog will sniff the exterior of the vehicle, and if they detect any drug odors, then the cop's suspicion will be confirmed. Another method used by police is when they pressure you into giving consent to search your vehicle. This is a common practice when the police stop a vehicle for perceived traffic violations so they can attempt to justify their hunches of illegal activity. It's important to understand your constitutional rights in this regard. The Fourth Amendment protects everyone from unreasonable searches and seizures. This means that a simple investigatory stop by the police to issue a simple traffic warning or ticket may not last any longer than is necessary to effectuate the purpose of the stop. The seizure of the driver and the vehicle remains lawful only so long as any unrelated police inquiries do not reasonably extend the duration of the intended purpose of the stop. In other words, once the police have concluded the purpose of their stop, the police must allow the driver to continue on his way without further delay or questioning. If you find yourself stopped by the police, do not overreact. Pull your vehicle safely over and turn it off. Place your hands on the wheel. Provide the required documentation when asked. You are under no obligation to answer any police questions unrelated to why you were pulled over. Be polite and do not be afraid to ask the police if you are free to leave after receiving your warning or ticket. Remember, it is important that you don't answer any police questions unrelated to the purpose of the stop. And of course, never consent to a search of your vehicle. If you believe that your constitutional rights have been violated under the search and seizure laws, speak with an experienced criminal defense trial attorney immediately. Contact Phoenix-based Arizona attorney Richard Gaxiola today, and he will advise you on your legal options. For over 20 years, he has been providing aggressive criminal defense representation and tirelessly advocating for his clients' freedoms and constitutional rights. Available 7 days a week for legal representation across the state of Arizona for a free evaluation. Call now.